a branch above my door, and suddenly the warm air wasn't quiet anymore. You held my gaze, I looked away, like staring at the sun. Now instead of nothing, there was one. And every summer morning, at the same time you return, and all our conversations, there's so many things to learn. I tried to mend your broken wing, the time you couldn't fly. Just sat and counted clouds and days go by. Glide and swoop and soar away, dive deep and climb so high. Your colours painting circles in the sky. And now in late September, all our time is gone. You've caught the sudden breezes heading home. The tree woke up from winter, and the leaves are green again. I scan the blue sky, hoping that I'll recognize a friend. And every day I listen for the song you used to sing. And every year I'm waiting for next spring. Arigato.